Quick tip of the day: when you find a pile of bees on the ground, look through them. I would bet that there's a queen in there. Should be fun to catch with one hand. But I will bet you money that there's a queen in this little ball of bees. And there she is. Ladies and gentlemen, right there is the reason you always check little balls of bees on the ground. So we probably had a little swarm, or a virgin that got tired and didn't make it back or whatever, but right there she is. See if I can get it focus on her. She's a pretty little tiger stripe. Well, that's your tip of the day. Always check little balls of bees on the ground. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.